Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to Learning at Home. I hope you are doing good. Today we will write the book review report of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory by Roald Dahl. Before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed this channel, please do subscribe and like this video and share as much as you can. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is a famous children's book written by Roald Dahl. It is a fun and exciting story about a poor boy named Charlie Bucket who lives with his family in a small house. One day he wins a special golden ticket to visit the magical chocolate factory owned by the mysterious Mr. Willy Wonka. Charlie and four other children are invited to tour the factory. Each child is different with unique habits and behaviors. During the tour, the other children get into trouble because of their greed, bad manners, or selfishness. But Charlie stays polite and kind. In the end, Mr. Wonka rewards Charlie by giving him the whole chocolate factory. The story is full of imagination, adventure, and lessons. It teaches children to be humble, honest, and respectful. The characters are interesting and fun to read about. Roald Dahl's writing is easy to understand and full of humor. The factory is described in a magical way which makes the story even more exciting. Overall, this book is a great read for children and even adults. It shows that being a good person is more important than being rich or famous. I highly recommend it.